Welcome, welcome, welcome to Elevate. We talk so often about conflict, and right now, the world is a mess.
You can't lead others where you haven't led yourself.
That's why your culture feels hard right now.
So we have to acknowledge the things that are not working before we can decide what is going to be different.
And you know what conscious discipline is? It's being on a journey that wants the best of the world.
And no matter where you are in your journey, you can always turn this around.
And the hope is in education. The hope is in you, educators.
We say about leadership, it starts from the top, but with conscious discipline, you're the top, baby.
Recognize that your regulation sets the culture of the place that you are.
You are doing the hard work of keeping your heart open when it is so easy to shut it all down and play the game.
I'm gonna encourage you and show you the way, encourage you and teach you, encourage you and keep on going. I encourage you and I will be guiding you no matter how many times you fall.
We are giving ourselves the opportunity to do that.
So that we can problem solve, so that we can show up for children in the best possible way.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. This is where the adventure begins.